Koktisalo hasini hasrifa Indroshina Naluni Manjak Mungo Sadhak Ratan Moni Seva Sadan School Khlaijakha Shishu Sangam-2025 Panda Ashula hasrifano Karibu Manjaka Minister Rampodo Zomatiano Kobo Tekuman Atung Rog Ashani Fungo Anando Bazar Amsayo Sarai Rokno Tigi Khlaijakha Reli Abuni Yagolo Damni Chini Zorawo Khlaijakha Kaisa Panda Ashula Pulano Panda Manjak Night Narway Rokno Rishakando Lamjak Shogina Harzaka Abuni Yagolo Tati Kathar Musangi Pandano Ching Shawirika Panda Manjak Night Narway Rok Paitago Hasini Hasrifa Indroshina Redi Nalo Dal Vidal Nangkong Mani Koglam Shawikana Rokha
As soon as I entered in this premises, I got a feeling of visiting the entire state. Just I visited the stall where the handicrafts were displayed, prepared by the students. Small students, class 3rd, 4th, and with their imagination, they have articulated and drawings as well as all handicrafts locally, which is familiar. They have brought and exhibited here. It was very good. I garlanded the statues of Arvind Bhattacharya ji and Ratan ji as because of their service today in this remote area, this institution came up to this level. And above all, the students which they have performed the asanas, exercise, and the prayer, it was very impressive.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.